and welcome back to Shy Girl Beauty. So today I'm going to do some makeup and I hope you guys enjoy. I am still learning, so hopefully I can see some progress with my makeup. We shall see what will happen with that. And I hope you guys enjoy this and enjoy this video, and so we can go right into it. I've been selling on Poshmark, just to tell you guys what's been going on. I haven't sold anything as of yet, but hopefully soon. And also my Instagram, just to tell you guys, is Shy Girl Fashion Posh. Shy Girl Fashion Posh, Posh spelled P-O-S-H. And so I hope you guys can check me out over there. And yes, so enjoy this video. And so what I'm gonna do today, I'm just gonna wing it as always when it comes to my makeup. I am going to put some under eye concealer on today. It's looking a little, maybe not too bad, but like over here, I'm wondering if it'll cover that. I'm not too sure. This is my, and I think I've showed you guys this before, this is Almay. It is Be Strong. I don't know if you guys can see that. I mean, it says Be Strong. So it's in the front too. Be Strong. And it's nice, like this color, and most of my lipsticks that I like to wear are like this type of rosy, dark rose, brownish reddish color. So I'm gonna start with the lips. And just pat it to get the little corners. And I always go too far. Let's see here. Okay. And I have to make sure that it doesn't touch my teeth. It always does, and then I don't notice it, and then I'm talking throughout the whole video and realize I ruined it because it's on my teeth. I always get it on my teeth. It's like, yeah. So I really like this color. I tend to get compliments about this color. I think it just looks well with my complexion, I'm thinking, because I always get compliments about this particular color. Now I'm going to go into the blush, and I'm using this as blush. On my other videos, I don't know if I put it on my YouTube, but I was using this as blush as well, so I'm thinking of doing both today. So let's see. And I also got some brushes as well, so I'm going to just do those half moons, like that, like so, and then go up. It's looking bright, looking a little bit like a clown, but it'll get better. I like it kind of pronounced anyway. So here we are. Did I look flushed? And all the way around here. And let's see here. So I put the blush on, and here we are. So you can't see it as much as you could see it in the beginning, so it did go down a bit. So now I'm just going to figure out what eyeshadow I'm going to put on as well. I'm going to start with my under eye here, and I like to do like a half a moon here. Well, not really half a moon, but like a triangle like that. And this matches really good with my skin. And then I think I'm gonna go on the corners, which I usually don't do, but actually this corner here is where I should be, because that one tends to. Okay, so now I'm just going to pat it out here. Pat it out. This is a typo you have to kind of turn and then you get some more product. pat that in. Here we are. And let's see here. So next I'm going to go with the eyeshadow and see what I'm gonna do with that. I did try to order some eyeshadow, but they were out of it. So I have the same eyeshadow as I've been having. So that's the LA Colors eyeshadow. And I want to try a color that I haven't tried before, although most of these colors are pretty similar to each other. I want to try one that I never tried. Goldie color here. I've never tried that one. It's like a bronze. And then I'm going to go with this color here and on the ends. I'm not sure how that's going to look, but we shall see. That's the point of learning, is figuring out what, what works and what doesn't work. I also have Echo tools, so actually I don't have to use my finger today, even though I might end up using my finger, but I don't have to. So let's see here. Okay, so this one fortunately has, it tells you, let me see if I can cover the light. Well, where is it? It kind of tells you what it's supposed to be used for. Like, there we go. Smudge, blend, define, and shade. So I'm thinking first you put on the shade and you just put that across the whole thing. Ooh, it's soft. And let's do that. So I'm gonna put that bronzy color here. I'll put that all over the lid. Ooh, I put my finger in it. I'm using this bronzy color here, and I'm just gonna put this all over. Ooh, that is a pretty color. Ooh, and I wonder if this brush is making it look even better. And wow, I actually really like that color. Ooh, I put the wrong color on the brush. I put the wrong color on the brush. Let me see. Is it coming off? Okay, anyway, I'm just gonna grab the right color now. And I'm gonna put this over the whole thing here. And that's a nice gold color. And okay. Wow, that is a pretty color. So I'm gonna try the ends with, which color was it? Was this color here. I'm gonna try this color here as well. And I'm just gonna put that on the ends. I'm not sure how that's gonna come up looking, but we shall see. Any tips? I would definitely appreciate that. I chose this one here. I forgot which color I was supposed to use, so I'm using this one. And here we are. And this here. I actually really like that. So I actually really like it. I don't know. There's a blending one as well, and then there's some black. I don't have any like the liquid eyeliner because mine dried out, and then I'm waiting for an Ipsy that actually has it in there. So a little, just telling you what's going to, I'm going to show you, so I'll show you an opening. And yeah, it actually has it in there, so I haven't bought any, but let me see here. So right now I'm thinking, so there's a blending side. Let me grab that. So which one says blend? This blend and smush and smudge. So this is the blend. So this is like a light flurry. Ooh, oh, I see why people use brushes. Like, you can't do that with your hand. And so next I am going to try out this liner here. This, what is it called? Define. And I'm going to see if I can put something dark around the corners with like the eyeshadow. And ooh. And this is very cheap. These brushes were like $5 and there's 4 different ends to it. Ooh, I like that. I like especially the ends. And this is much easier for me to do than when I usually use the pen. So this might be my new thing. And okay. So that's this black color here. And I'm just lining. Okay, I kind of like that. Can we go back a little bit and just, I don't want to go too far of where my eyebrow ends. So I'm just going to put it like that. Ooh, I really like that. Now to do this side. Now that might cause some problems. Let's see. Okay, yeah, obviously. I wonder if my other hand would be able to do it. So how did I... Okay. I like the way this one kind of flips. This one doesn't really flick up a little. But I will definitely get this down pat because I like to do it. So I will be getting better at this. Okay. I like it. I like it, but I know there's probably a way to improve on this. But I'm not there yet, but here it is. I think I should make it a little thicker. Should we? Should we make it a little thicker? So just a little bit thicker. It's also just fun for me to do too. I don't know. It's like especially right now I'm not doing that much. So, and this one looks whoa. Thank you. Thank you. You know when you mess up, maybe this doesn't happen to anyone else, when you mess up the black liner and then it just smudges and just ruins everything. that's what's going on here. Okay, so I'm almost done. I'm just gonna do mascara. I think I'm gonna like stop while I'm ahead on this part. Some mascara now, and see, I'm not going anywhere, so I'm just doing it for fun. Oh, I have something in my eye. So let's see here. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this on. And then at the bottom. So now I'm putting it at the bottom, the mascara, because I like doing the bottom lashes. And today I use colors that I don't normally use and techniques that I don't normally use. As you can see, I'm not sure what's going on with that part. But I kind of like it. Well, I want to thank you guys for listening to this video, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I just want to tell you that I do have an Instagram called Shy Girl Fashion Posh. I hope you guys follow me on there. I have 3,000 followers right now, so that's fun. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye.